One Canal Road, an exceptional residential development nestled in the vibrant city of Lahore. This significant project, born from the collaboration of architectural genius Kobi Karp and the prestigious Versace ceramics, marks a new era of luxury living and architectural excellence in Lahore's real estate landscape. Launched in 2021, One Canal Road structure is now 90% complete. In the month of May, remarkable progress was achieved. A total of 181,393 square feet was covered in construction, accompanied by the pouring of 8,945 cubic meters of concrete and the utilization of 1,236 tons of steel. The work on the apartment partitions is also progressing rapidly, with Level 6 now fully completed and partitions on Level 7 nearing 30% completion. Every detail has been thoughtfully curated to create an atmosphere of elegance and sophistication, and meticulously designed to perfection by world-renowned interior designer Sarah Rahal. From the moment you step into the magnificent 5-star lobby lounge, every corner will captivate and redefine the very essence of luxury living for you. You will find unparalleled beauty in the interior finishing, with walls and floorings carefully selected from the prestigious Versace ceramics collection. We are delighted to announce that construction on the 10th floor is already underway, bringing us closer to the completion of this extraordinary project. With this relentless pace, we anticipate welcoming you very soon to experience this exclusive lap of luxury. One Canal Road, Lahore. Living redefined.